What's up, amigos and amigas? We're on Ometepe Island right here in Nicaragua. Today we're going to explore the island, we rented some ATVs, and see what the day has in store for us. Here is Mirian with Volcano Concepcion right there in the background. Got my adventure helmet on. Let's go. Alright, so we were driving, we spotted some howler monkeys, which are present here on Ometepe. Hopefully, I might have to zoom in with my iPhone here in a minute, because they're up in the tree. But these are some of the loudest monkeys in the world. You can hear their howling from over 3 miles out, and they've been waking us up every morning around 4 a.m. With their howling. That's when they're most active. So I'm kind of surprised to see some now, but let's see if I can point some out. There's some babies up there. Let's see if I can find a good angle here. Search of the howler monkey. Oh, there's one. You see him? Let me get my iPhone out and get a zoomed in video. Alright, glad we got to see the monkeys. I was going to mention finding monkeys in the intro, but didn't want to let everybody down if we didn't see any. So super pumped, we got to see some howler monkeys on Ometepe. Alright, we made it. There's an entrance fee, 100 Cordova per person. And was it 50 for the ATV?
Yeah, the bike.
Okay, so small fee to get in there. I think it's like a 4 or 5 mile hike from this entrance that we're at, but you can take the ATV up as much as you can, which could take you about halfway. I've heard it's a little bit of a rough ride, but with the ATV you should be fine. We're gonna go up as far as we can. Let's go. Hola perrito. Hola perrita. Hola, perrita. Oh, Jesus. Hey. Okay, that's the little parking lot, or the furthest the ATV makes it. Definitely highly recommend getting an ATV and making it up this far. We saw some people walking up. I mean, it was a solid good 2 miles straight up. I think this is gonna really make this hike to the waterfall a little bit more enjoyable. But off to the waterfall, back to Skada, and taking a dip. And hiking through the jungle of Ometepe. I forgot my trusty peen sandals, so I'm hiking this in flip-flops. Should be alright. Saw a local hiking this barefoot somehow, so if he can do it, I can do it. As we're hiking to the waterfall, maybe a little background on Ometepe. So Ometepe is an island within the biggest lake in Central America, Lake Nicaragua. The island is 2 volcanoes in Lake Nicaragua. Ometepe actually means 2 mountains in the ancient Nahuatl language. And so the Ometepe Island is the 2 volcanoes. Volcano Concepcion, or Concepcion, that you saw at the very beginning with Mirian. And then the other one is Volcán Maderas, which we're hiking up now to see the waterfall. Madres is a dormant volcano, but Concepcion is still active, and it's erupted multiple times, a few times in the past decade or so. But anyway, we've been here for a couple days now. Extremely beautiful island. It's a very like local tourist vibe. There's no big corporate tourist hotels or restaurants or anything like that. Everything is family made, homemade, family run businesses, family run hotels and hostels and restaurants. So it's been a really cool, chill vibe and absolutely beautiful country, a beautiful island. I'm excited to see what this waterfall looks like. Ometepe! Mirian, give us an Ometepe.
Answer question.
Okay, time for some plata. We'll go this way. You got it? Okay. Up and over. Home safe. Waterfall light. Must mean we're close. It's a shoe. Where's the foot? Scary Movie 1, anyone? No? Ooh, made it! High five, Mirian! The last part was pretty tough, actually. But payoff's worth it. Well, Jeroen deserves a good Jeroen dip for my reward. More of a shower than a Jeroen dip today. But very good hike. Still off to the waterfall. Mirian said she didn't want to do even a Mirian dip. But you're not going to get out of it. So we're not doing even a Mirian dip. Doing a Mirian power dip? Success. Alright, we made it back to the ATV. Our next adventure is seeing if this thing has gas in it and see if it will start. The guy at the bottom has gas for us, but we need to make it down first. I hope this thing starts. Alright. So, key on. Start button. On. Start. Clutch. Here we go. Alright, okay, let's go. Alright, we're off. See you guys to the bottom, we'll get some gas. This is our savior guy with the gasolina. It'll make me feel much better. Perfecto, muchas gracias.
Claro, caballo. Una tapadera toda bandida. ¿Cómo les fue? ¿Bien?
Muy bien, sí, está muy bonito.
Correcto.
Sí.
¿Y ahora la ruta cuál es? La playa.
Playa Mango.
Muy bien.
Sí.
Allí me gusta Playa Mango porque hay unos ricos shots de tequila.
Okay.
¿Y la comida?
Muy bien, muy bien. Sí.
Tenemos hambre.
Okay, aquí. Okay.
Sí, 120.
Perfecto.
120.
Correcto,
Perfecto.
chicos.
Muchas gracias.
Bueno, que les vayan bien y que disfruten siempre.
Gracias.
All right. Tenemos gasolina. Our next mission is to find some food and a cerveza para mí.
Sí,
Listo?
está.
We got cervezas. Cheers. Salud. Well deserved victory cerveza. After a decently tough hike, we definitely need a ice cold Doña Nicaraguan cerveza. Alright, Mirian is driving. Pray for me. See if we survive. Oh. Oh. Behind us we got Playa Manderas. So we just hiked the volcano hike, or our waterfall hike. There's Volcano Concepcion. Although we're on our way to Playa Mango for dinner or for a late lunch. More cervezas. Okay. Here's Playa Mango. Yeah, the brakes on the right handle. You didn't know the brake the whole time?
No.
Oh god. Karen just figured out what the brakes were. It's like all the locals just got done with their lunch. This place is pretty busy, especially on the weekends to Sunday. So all the locals from the mainland come here to Playa Mango to have lunch at a nice beach, have a good view of the volcanoes.
Okay.
Made it safe. Now let's get some lunch.
Sí.
Viene grabando toda la cinta.
Sí.
Viene grabando todo bonito.
Right, see, yes. Very good driving.
Thanks.
Alright, let's check out Playa Mango. Really nice views. We're starving. looking for some good food. Aquí? See? Yeah. All right, we're here. This is where we'll have lunch. There's a really nice view of Concepcion right there. It's about, what time is it? 2:30. It's like a 5 o'clock sunset here. I think we may try to stay here for sunset. Get some nice pictures and just relax. Get on a swing there.
Actually kind of fun.
One more swing. Got him. Swing pics. Check mark. Bucket list. Swing pic at Mango, Playa Mango, in Ometepe. How's the swing, Mirian?
It was so much fun.
Swing complete. Swing pic complete. Now for the last piece of the day, we're gonna swim to that flotation thing there, whatever that is. And get ready for a sunset by the beautiful Volcano Concepcion. Here we are, swimming in Lake Nicaragua. Miriam's very good at floating, actually.
Not very good at swimming, though.
It's harder to swim, trying to keep my phone up above water. Let's keep the volcano in the back. The star of the show. Actually, yeah. I'll go ahead, my hand free. Miriam, how you doing?
Struggling. Whew, I'm tired.
Yes, thank you.
Fine.
Better leg, otherwise you'll drown me. Almost there. A little over halfway. I think we're probably like 45 minutes from sunset.
I'm gonna drown. Stop filming. Stop filming.
Huh?
Stop filming.
What is time?
I'm gonna drown.
Just. What do you call it? Tread water. Just tread water. We're almost there. This thing is much further now. Feels much further now than it looks. We're almost there. Miriam's pretty much at the stairs. She made it, everyone. Okay. Okay. Dang, this first step is pretty high.
It's a lot harder than it seems, isn't it?
Yeah. It's much further than it looks. Okay, a little pre-sunset. A couple bar stools. Not that there's a bartender on here, but okay, hold on. Miriam's trying to do the jump. We're gonna do the jump together. Yeah, we're gonna do the jump together. Okay, over here. All right. Can we see Miriam? All right. Like Ometepe or Ometepe Island. Jump. Ready? On tres. Una, dos, tres. Okay, that's it, amigos. Hope you guys had just as good a time exploring Ometepe Island as we did. If you made it this far in the video and enjoy watching these experiences, please like and subscribe. Signing off. Adios. We're gonna
Se cayó un niño.
Stop.